Hi guys, how are you all doing? So today we will check what's the truth about your connection. What are their true intentions for you? Okay. So think about this person and just close your eyes. Take their name, whatever calls out to you. Four of Pentacles, the Chariot, and the Queen of Wands. So this person is really attracted towards you and they are very possessive about you. However, they are still choosing to keep certain boundaries and difficulty. Now, the overall energy will come back to it later. First, talking about this person, even if you are not talking to this person, they are behaving closed off or insecure about you. They are very possessive about you. They will not share you with anyone. They don't want you to move on. There is something about this person, they're still holding on very strongly, even if they have shut the doors or walked away from you. This person could be like an avoidant attachment type of a person. They whenever things start getting intense, they kind of run away. Okay, but they want to move forward towards you, but now they have taken their space and time and whatever was holding them back, they want to move forward and win in this connection with you. They are very determined of having you. Okay, this could be like a yin and yang connection as well. Okay, there can be a push and pull factor in this connection. They might live at a distance towards you, so that's why they want to come running towards you, rushing towards you, because the emotions are overwhelming them. They are very attracted towards you. Okay, they find you very confident, very attractive, go-getter, charming. You could have a very magnetic personality. Both of you could be, or it's you. Okay, it's always you. So it's something about your personality which is very confident. Maybe you are an eloquent speaker, or you have a creative way of doing things. Your hair, your face, your makeup. There's something which you do with your hands, with the way you speak. There's something about you which they can't get their eyes off, and that's why you could also be like a temptation for them. So that's why they have to take breaks from you from time to time. Now, talking about the truth about the connection, now let's look from these cards. These are like 125 cards. So they love your eyes. You have magnetic eyes, and they kind of get lost into your eyes, and whenever your eyes meet, they lose control. They see something very strong into your eyes. They forget the world, and nobody, absolutely nobody, can make them feel like how you do. You feel you're the only one in the room for them whenever you both meet. Okay, and they still wonder about the future of this connection, and if you both choose each other, then how things and future will turn out to be, and they are lost and locked with those thoughts of it. Forbidden chemistry, see, I was telling you there is something forbidden. They feel very tempted towards you, right? So this could be like you or them could be taken, and they feel like it is like a forbidden love, an apple that they can't bite, and sometimes it feels too dangerous and irresistible to them. Even if there is no forbidden chemistry, but it feels very forbidden to them, because a lot of people could eye you, because you could be that it couple that everybody is eyeing, or you could be both very charming and good looking, or there's something about your personalities which can create fireworks around you, and people can feel the energy. Yes, they see this almost forever, so they want to see forever with you. They want to see where this connection is going.